You're always scared of what you don't know. But they were very, the people that took care of me in the beginning were like, this is going to be fine. You're going to be, they made me feel very comfortable. They know what they're doing. I played professional soccer, and my soccer career was ended by a pretty bad injury to my left knee. Basically, I had been told by numerous doctors along the way in South Africa, as well as when I first came here, that to tolerate the pain as long as I could. I hung in there too long, ended up having problems with my right hip and both knees. So that was the beginning of the adventure. I came to Orthopedic Associates of Wisconsin after doing some research. I actually found Dr. Davies, who was highly recommended. So I came in to see him because obviously you want to make sure that there's, you feel comfortable. Because I knew that this wasn't just going to be a one and done thing. This was going to be an adventure. The staff here was fantastic. When they have you come in at whatever time it is, it all follows that very specific procedure. There's no surprises. There's no, oh, did anyone forget to do such and such? It all worked out exactly the way it was supposed to happen. So I know Dr. Davies is quite happy that we went 4 for 4 and they all went really well. But yeah, you can tell that they've got the process now. I would absolutely recommend not only Orthopedic Associates of Wisconsin, but Dr. Davies in particular, because he's been fantastic for me. Obviously, the fact that he's also a very keen golfer, we had that rapport from the very beginning, but he's been great.